Meaning of death duty.
Death duty.
Death duty.
Death duty.
Death duty. Death duty, also known as inheritance tax or estate tax, is a tax levied by the government on the transfer of property and assets after a person's death. The value of the deceased person's assets above a certain threshold will be subject to the tax. The purpose of this tax is to generate revenue for the government and to prevent the accumulation of excessive wealth in few families. The tax rate and threshold vary between countries. Some argue that it is a fair way to distribute wealth, while others view it as an unfair burden on families who have already suffered a loss.